In this video, I'm going to show you how to do this cube in a cube in a cube pattern on a 3x3 Rubik's Cube. Check out my other videos showing you how to solve a 2x2 Rubik's Cube, a 3x3, a 4x4, and even a 5x5. So to do this pattern, you do need to start with a solved Rubik's Cube, so you need to know how to solve a Rubik's Cube or have a solved Rubik's Cube, and you need to know how to use algorithms on a Rubik's Cube too. If you don't already know how to use algorithms, then check out my 3x3 tutorial on how to solve a Rubik's Cube. So to do this pattern, we just need an algorithm, and that algorithm is UI LI, UI FI, R2 BI, RF, U B2, U BI, L UI, F U, R FI. So let's do that then. We go UI LI, UI FI, R2 BI, R F U B2 U BI L UI F U R FI, and that gives us the cube in a cube in a cube pattern. So to undo this pattern and put us back to a completed Rubik's Cube, we want to put the small cube on the top right like this, so then this becomes our front face, and we can just repeat the same algorithm 2 more times. Okay, let's do that then. UI LI, UI FI, R2 BI, R F U B2 U BI L UI F U R FI. And if you've done it correctly, you'll still have the cube in a cube in a cube pattern, but the colours have rotated, and then if we do it one more time, we'll get a completed Rubik's Cube. So let's just do it one more time. UI LI, UI FI, R2 BI, R F U B2 U BI L UI F U R FI. And there we are, back to a solved Rubik's Cube. Hope it helped, guys, and thanks for watching. For more Rubik's Cube patterns, check out my other videos, and also if you know of any other Rubik's Cube patterns that you'd like me to make a video of, then feel free to leave a comment in the comment section with the algorithm, and maybe I'll make a video of that in the future. Thanks a lot, guys. Bye.